Hello, today's presentation centers around the strategic challenges of Verizon's fleet management. The interviewees are Kenneth Jack, Verizon's Vice President of Fleet Operations, and Ken McKinney, Verizon's Fleet Sustainability Program Manager. Fleet management requires an oversight on assets and human resources, along with a concise execution of strategies and action plans. This presentation will report significant findings and recommendations that may be utilized against the day-to-day challenges that Verizon fleet managers may face. And finally, it will include their responses to those findings. Vehicle selection and acquisition is vital to the continued success of Verizon fleet management. The process of choosing and procuring those vehicles are the single most important task of the Verizon organization. Verizon states that they would continue to utilize their existing fleet until the point of a vehicle's useful life cycle, at which point Verizon will then seek the best, most economically sound vehicle investment with one or more automotive manufacturers. Any manufacturers bidding for a fleet contract with Verizon must not only meet their specific demands in regards to fuel consumption, but must face rigorous vehicle sales prices. The responsibilities for the repair and replacement processes for a corporate fleet also poses a great concern for Verizon. Currently, Verizon's replacement value exceeds $600 million. In addition, the maintenance of existing vehicles and the conversion to low-emissions vehicles is their main focus as they move forth in replacing fleet vehicles. Here are some suggestions for a preventative maintenance inspection program. First, we have scheduled service. A scheduled maintenance program should be initiated for each vehicle in order to prevent unnecessary breakdowns in the field. Service must be performed by licensed mechanics, either in-house or through a service shop. Planned service should be scheduled according to vehicle mileage or the time between servicing. Next, we have routine service inspections. Service inspections should also be conducted by a licensed mechanic on a month-to-month basis in order to prevent costly, unplanned service and breakdowns in the field that would require the added cost of towing services. A 24-point inspection is recommended. Next, we have streamlined maintenance. Planned and unplanned maintenance must be processed in an organized and timely manner in order to properly utilize all available vehicles in the field. If in-house repairs are conducted, the managing facility must properly schedule maintenance and all necessary parts to ensure that the vehicle is safe and ready for full duty. If service of vehicles are done off-site, management must have an agreement with the respective service shop that proper maintenance will be done in a timely manner. In addition, we have daily field inspections. Pre-trip inspections must be conducted by the vehicle operators before a daily departure to ensure that previous work has been done and complete. In addition, post-trip inspections must be conducted in order to identify any problems that have occurred during the service of the vehicle. In this way, mechanics and parts can be scheduled towards the repair of a vehicle, thus minimizing downtime. We last have proper field operations. It is imperative that all vehicle operators adhere to proper codes of conduct when operating a fleet vehicle. Proper care of company assets must be stringently overlooked in order to have full and proper compliance from operators. Disciplinary action should be taken if vehicles are not kept to proper company standards. Another strategic challenge for Verizon's fleet management is the struggle for greater fuel-efficient vehicles. Verizon will have to continue to invest in vehicles that possess better fuel economy and that utilize the latest advances in natural gas, hybrid, and electrical technologies. Verizon will utilize several methods to reduce energy costs, including the adoption of electric and natural gas vehicles. These energy-saving vehicles have important cost and environmental advantages to consider. Alternative vehicles continue to advance in safety and reliability and help Verizon manage costs while reducing emissions. Moreover, alternative vehicles make a statement to the public about Verizon. It states that Verizon is committed to clean air and energy independence. Verizon plans to purchase more fuel-efficient or alternative fuel vehicles, such as CNG, propane, hybrid, and electric vehicles. They also plan to implement driver performance management technology. They plan to deploy telematic GPS tracking technology on their entire fleet. They also plan to implement fleet fuel cards to every one of their vehicles. And lastly, they plan to retrofit existing vehicles for alternative fuels. To manage its diverse fleet, Verizon not only has implemented GPS systems into its vehicles, but has also decided to move ahead with implementing network fleets technology after it purchased auto industry supplier Hughes Telematics in July of 2012. Verizon expects the implementation to increase productivity and cost efficiencies and to further reduce emissions as a part of their corporate sustainability goal of decreasing their carbon footprint. From all of us at Verizon, we would like to thank you for your time.